Let's get that muffler out of there. I'll undo these hose clamps and we'll rip it out of there. We'll see if we can fix it, or maybe we need to order a new one or something. Look at that. What is that? Looks like fiberglass. Look how janky that fix is. Pretty sure I just want a new one of these. Time to test fit this all together. Well, that's what that looks like all installed. Let's do the muffler delete pipes. Alright, I've been trying to get these pipes in here for a minute. Trying every which way, I can't get nothing to work. Finally text the company and we started communicating. They thought this was a wake setter. I wasn't sure. I gave them the VIN number, but apparently they can't look it up. So we miscommunicated, and these are not for this boat. So let's get these out, and then as soon as we get the other stuff, we'll continue on. We're back, and we got new parts. And these ones are going to work just great. We're just going to have to cut the rubber boots down a little, which was to be expected from the beginning. Miscommunicated with the people who make these, Fresh Air Exhaust. Still, we weren't sure if this was a wake setter or a V-ride. Now we're pretty positive this is a V-ride boat. So they made it for a wake setter. Anyway, this company is great to deal with. Super nice people. Very fast with the shipping. Send them back the stuff that didn't work. They sent the stuff that does work. Painless. Let's cut those boots down. Alright, that's all done. Look at that. Look how much more room you got back here for like changing out that water impeller and stuff. That's awesome, not having that ugly muffler in there. Something to note too, you're not going to have to drill that hole like I did. That was because I ordered for the wrong boat. When you get yours, it should bolt right in. This should probably be like a 30-minute job, honestly. This kit's awesome. And this company is excellent to deal with. Fresh. Quiet. Can't even really hear it. running pretty good.